The climate is in crisis. We must act now. Our choices matter. Travel, often seen as a luxury, contributes significantly to global carbon emissions. Airplanes, cruise ships, and even cars release harmful greenhouse gases. These gases trap heat and warm the planet. Rising temperatures lead to extreme weather events. These events include hurricanes, droughts, and floods. They displace communities and damage ecosystems. Sustainable travel is not just a trend, it is an imperative. We must minimize our impact on the environment. This means rethinking how we travel. It also means making conscious choices. We must protect the planet for future generations. Our travel decisions have consequences. We can choose to be part of the problem or part of the solution. By embracing sustainable travel practices, we become responsible global citizens. Transportation is a major contributor to travel's carbon footprint. Air travel, in particular, is highly polluting. Opt for alternative modes of transportation whenever possible. Trains are a more sustainable option for long distances. They emit significantly less carbon dioxide per passenger. Explore local destinations by bus. Buses offer a fuel-efficient way to travel. They reduce congestion on the roads. For shorter trips, consider cycling or walking. These options provide exercise and reduce emissions. Embrace slow travel, spend more time in fewer places. This allows for deeper cultural immersion. It also minimizes transportation-related emissions. By choosing low-impact transportation, we reduce our environmental impact. We also support a more sustainable tourism industry. Where you stay and what you do on your travels matters. Choose eco-friendly accommodations. Look for hotels and guest houses with sustainable practices. These practices include energy efficiency, water conservation, and waste reduction. Support locally owned businesses. They often have a smaller environmental footprint. Engage in eco-friendly activities. Opt for nature walks, cycling tours, or wildlife watching. These activities have minimal impact on the environment. They provide authentic experiences. Avoid activities that exploit animals or damage ecosystems. Support tour operators committed to sustainability. Look for certifications like the Global Sustainable Tourism Council. These certifications ensure responsible practices. By making conscious choices, we can minimize our impact on local communities and ecosystems. Section 4. Common travel mistakes and eco-friendly alternatives. Many travelers make well-intentioned but misguided choices. One common mistake is overpacking. The heavier the luggage, the more fuel is required for transportation. So pack light and bring only essential items. Another mistake is using single-use plastics. Plastic bottles, bags, and packaging contribute to pollution. Instead, carry a reusable water bottle, shopping bag, and food container. Refill your water bottle at fountains or use purification tablets. Support local markets and restaurants that use minimal packaging. Choose digital tickets and travel documents whenever possible. This reduces paper waste. Be mindful of your energy consumption. Turn off lights and air conditioning when leaving your accommodation. Small changes in behavior can make a big difference. Section 5. Offsetting your carbon footprint. Even with the best efforts, some travel activities inevitably generate emissions. Consider offsetting your carbon footprint. Carbon offsetting involves investing in projects. These projects reduce greenhouse gas emissions elsewhere. There are reputable organizations that offer carbon offset programs. These programs support initiatives such as renewable energy, forestry, or energy efficiency. Calculate your carbon footprint using online calculators. Choose a program that aligns with your values. Carbon offsetting is not a substitute for reducing emissions. It is a way to take responsibility for the emissions we cannot avoid. By offsetting our footprint, we contribute to global efforts to combat climate change. Section 6. Embracing a sustainable travel mindset. Sustainable travel is more than just a checklist of tips. It is a mindset shift. It is about respecting the planet and its people. It is about traveling with intention and purpose. Embrace the principles of responsible tourism. Minimize your impact, support local communities, and protect the environment. Educate yourself about the destinations you visit. Learn about their cultural norms, environmental challenges, and conservation efforts. Share your experiences with others. Inspire them to travel sustainably. Together, we can create a more sustainable future for travel. Remember, every action counts. By making conscious choices, we can explore the world while preserving its beauty for generations to come.